Stop clicking section by section in your LMS. Hand your AI an outline and get a full LifterLMS course skeleton as a draft. I'll show you the finished structure first. Here's the finished skeleton, a draft LifterLMS course called Hosting at Casa Corral, with every section and lesson already in order on my site. 3 sections, 6 lessons, welcome, guest experience, operations, all still draft, so nothing reaches students yet. This is the free WPVibe cookbook recipe, a beginner content job that takes about 15 minutes once LifterLMS is on your connected site. Copy the prompt, drop in your course title and outline, or just a topic, and tell your AI to keep every course and lesson as a draft. I drop that into my AI. It checks LifterLMS, calls the course abilities, and builds the skeleton. I never give it a publish green light. Back in WordPress, the course and every lesson are still drafts. AI drafts, you approve. Write the real lesson content, then publish when you're ready. Grab the full prompt free in the WPVibe cookbook, run it on your own connected site, and subscribe for more WordPress AI recipes.